Small Cap Spotlight. We were with Mr. Alan Marshall. He is the CEO and I believe founder of what is now known as UPXI, which is a DAT, a digital asset treasury for Solana. And it was the first to market, Mark, for a Solana. And it is the only one that is still trading above MNAV.
Yeah.
So, of course, if you're somebody who has a treasury like that, folks, one of the things that we got firsthand from Mr. Marshall in front of that big family office crowd in the Caymans and so forth was that they stake their Solana. And because of that, and because of the blocks that they buy Solana in, they're able to buy those blocks at a discount to the spot price of Solana. And now it's going to be locked for a certain period of time. Right. We all understand that. But nonetheless, they're staking in a combination with that discount that they're purchasing it for. That's really why they put up such a great number last night. Versus a loss, they put up a big gain. And by my calculation, if they do 4 quarters of what they did last night, Mark, they'd be bringing in the neighborhood of $35 to $40 million, perhaps more than that, because they keep plowing it back into Solana.
Right.
But again, for a $200 million asset, that sounds like a pretty damn good return.
It is. It's a remarkable return. And, you know, this is something that we're going to be covering a lot of, not only on this show, but on some specials that we have lined up with our friends at Newsmax, with our friends over at Fox Business. Is this proliferation, if you will, of these DATs, these digital asset treasuries in the form of public companies on the NASDAQ primarily? What does it mean? Who are the winners and losers expected to be? We think this is going to be one of the winners. UPXI is the symbol. We are both on the advisory board of this company. We are paid for those advisory services, including to tell you good folks about it. So there's our Reg FD disclosure and disclaimer. But this is a great company that we should all be taking a look at. And I did, by the way, I know producer Jared's going to run a little bit of B-roll for us here in the background. I did have the pleasure of sitting down with Alan Marshall at the floor of the iconic New York Stock Exchange just a week or two ago to break all of this down.
Yep. It's a very interesting stock. It was up as much as 27, 28% last night, still up today. And it's one that, as we said, we have skin in the game.
We do.
We have shares in the stock, and fully disclosed, we are paid by UPXI. And thank you very much for that, Alan Marshall.